Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to edit our app component. So let's see. Still now we haven't discussed about what is this component, the different types of components. So first let's edit it and let's check how it will display the output on the front end. Okay. So inside SRC, by default, you will be getting one component with the name app.jsx. Okay. And this default code you will be getting inside app.jsx. So I will open the terminal to run the project. So our project name we have given here is my app. Okay. So first change the directory to the my app. Okay. Then npm run dev. Enter. So this script it will execute internally. So it is running at localhost with this port. So I will just follow the link. And this is the output which we are getting. So now what I will do, whatever the code I have in app.jsx, control A, I will delete it. So let's design our own component. So components are nothing but a function only. So app is the name of my component. Now if you check what is the file name, capital A app, correct? So component and file names should match always, okay? So on the next line, I will write return. What you want to return? So here I will tell h1 and here hello from React.js. Like this one simple statement we will return. React.js, okay? So I will save the code. Now we have to export this component so that in another component we can import it. So export default app. As of now, you might not able to understand this code, but soon you will understand everything when we will understand the structure of this complete components and project. Okay. As of now, we are just typing the code. That's all. So we will save this code. Now next, we'll go back to our output. You no need to refresh the page also, guys. As soon as you open the browser, I guess I have to minimize this. Okay. So I will refresh this. See, we got the output. Okay. Hello from React.js. Now next, by default, we are getting here some top margin and all, right? So I will go back to my code. If you go inside main.jsx, you will be having here something called as index.css. Just select it and delete it. Okay. Now I will save the code. We'll go back to our output. See, this is the default output we are getting. Okay. So now let's create one more component. Okay. App.jsx is given by JavaScript only, right? If you want to create your own component, how we can create it? Very simple. On this SRC, I will right click, create a new file. Let's say the component name is button. So button.jsx. Components are nothing but a function only. Just now I have told. So function button. Okay. Now inside this, I will write return. What you want to return? I want to return a normal button. Okay. So button. So here I will write button component. Okay. So whenever we are creating a component, we should export it. Directly you can write over here also. Export default. Okay. Why we are writing default? We'll discuss about it. Now this button component I want to import inside app.jsx. So it should display the heading first and below that it should render my button component, guys. Okay. So return statement will return only one statement, right? So two components or two statements we cannot return. So we will wrap it inside one empty container or div container. If you want, you can take the div container as well. So I'm going to wrap it inside one empty container. We call it as a fragments, guys. Okay, empty container, we call it as a fragments. So I will save the code. We are using the button component here. So your React has automatically imported it here. Okay. So now see here, your app.js ka output you are getting on the front end, where you will be getting h1 plus button component. What button component is returning? It is returning simple one button. So now if I go back and if I just refresh it, you can check it here. We got heading and we got button component. So your front end has two components. This is the output of app component. Inside app component, this is your button component. I know you might be having many doubts. What is this code all about? Okay, why we are writing export here? Please don't get any fear of subject. Don't lose hope. I have just created some sample components here. In the next video, we will learn what is this syntax all about. why we are writing this code like this, what is the entry point of this project, what is the use of your src, index.html, index.jsx, everything we will discuss step by step. As of now, you just type the code and make sure you are getting the same output. We'll meet in the next video, guys. Thank you.